Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is Sunday, our weekly update. So before we start our weekly update, I would like to just to clarify a bit. Okay, all the stock I talked about here in this channel, right? I talk about the stock that has a breakthrough or stock that have a certain activity, right, in the chart, certain action, right? So all these stock, right, when it has action, when it has breakthrough, it seems that we have a push, so that the stock, right, has possibility to go up. Okay, so not every stock okay, will go up, right? Not every stock, nobody will know. Okay, so judging from the pattern, right, when we see the chart pattern, when there is a breakout, right, means the possibility of going up is higher. That is just what I'm talking about. So when I filter stock, right, when I want to buy, right, I have certain criteria that it need to make. It need to be in an uptrend. Okay, it need to have a push to go up. Okay, not only a stock that in an uptrend, okay, but during a retracement in an uptrend, okay, we have to wait for it to finish retracement. So all this, after we study, right, we see, okay, this stock suddenly have a breakthrough, okay, or have a rebound, okay, at certain area, or have a push, means there is higher chances of going up. Okay, not all the stock that we talk, okay, will go up. Okay, so this one, okay, we have to do our own research also, okay, whether to study maybe the fundamental a little bit or the news, okay, to see whether is this all this stock, right, has continued possibility to go up. Okay, so just to remind, okay, everyone, okay, not all stock, okay, that we discuss, okay, that I show here will go up. Okay, a lot of stock all depend on, okay, even no matter how good is the stock, right, 5-star stock, okay, it still depends on the technology, still depends on the economy, on the government policy, on the uh, uh, condition of the COVID, all these things will play effect in the stock. Okay, so what I highlight, what I talk here about means that from the study of the chart, from the study of the history, okay, this is a possibility, okay, that the price might have a chance to go up. Okay, this is just what we are talking about here. Okay, so let's check out today, right? Today got a few news, okay, a few news that I want to talk about. Okay, before we dive into the chart and review the this week, okay, talk about the stock that I have spoken, okay, discussed this week. So Bank Negara, right, and maintain 1.7 overnight rate, okay, 1.7% policy, means not much changes, okay, in the government policy, okay, in the interest. And here they say, okay, the electronic, okay, we have high demand, okay, this year, right, electronic. So most likely, okay, it's from the export, okay. Malaysia economy expected to buoyed by external demand, particularly export to electronic product to China, Singapore. So this one, right, amidst the global shortage of semiconductor. Okay, so you look at the semiconductor company in the technology sector, okay, like INARI, Darwin, all those, right, who export overseas, right. So these are the stock that could be in play, okay, this year. Okay, so we might want to, okay, take a more attention, okay, to this type of technology stock, right. So Okay, this is one story, and another story, KLCI, right, is likely to trade higher next week, right? So this one, AXI, Chief Global Market Strategy, Stephen Ings, right? So set the benchmark will trade between 1580 to 16110 next week. Okay, well supported by banking stock. Okay, so he talked about the stock, okay, well weighted, benefit from the, okay, the KLCI, okay, well weighted to benefit from the banking and energy. Okay, so this one maybe want to take more time to look at this. And a growth stock, okay, another Arca Capital, right? Yeah, am I reading it right? Arica or Arca? Arica, right? CEO Danny Wong, right? He's talked about growth stock will continue the volatility in the coming month, right? So this one, okay. Wong say investor are buying in anticipation of strong result by Top Glove, okay, which will release its financial result on March 9, okay. So whatever, okay, whatever the the glove play, right, for these few weeks, this 1 2 weeks, right, okay, will be peaked at the March 9, right, after the Top Glove release their result, okay. So be careful, okay, if we might have a surge on March 9, okay, or we might already have a surge, and after March 9, okay, if you have a drop. So be careful, okay, for people who is holding the stock, okay, on the top growth stock on March 9, okay, we have to look at the result. No doubt will be big, but okay, the result no doubt, right, will be big, okay, because the demand, right, for the last few months, right, for the glove is still very high, okay, and the price is still high. So no doubt, but how the market will react to it, we will wait and see. Okay. Let's look at KLCI. Okay, KLCI, we look at the weekly chart. Okay. So okay, because this is a weekly video, right? Okay, so weekly is strong. Okay, the weekly video got a lot of wick on the bottom, right? Means a lot of support. Okay, so you see the price is supported by this 1574, okay, in the weekly chart. 157 many times, okay, it try to break below 1574, right? You see here, okay, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time it cannot break below 1574, okay, so 1574 is very strong support, okay. So okay, every time it went below, it push up again. Every time it went below, it push up again. Okay, so after many attempts, now okay, you see the push, right, is stronger. Okay, the push, right, this one also quite strong. Okay, this one drop, push back. Okay, this one another small push. So now the bull are getting stronger. Okay, we can see the bull are getting stronger, and okay, the bull has even managed to sum up, okay, to gather the power to even to break this support resistance line that we talked about. Okay, this support resistance line. Okay, so this support resistance line has been broken. The next one, it continue bullish, right? The next support resistance line 1613. We talked about this many time. Okay, so break of 1613. Okay, bull market possibility. Okay, until it break this one, this could be continued sideways. Okay, can be continued sideways market. Okay, so even though it break this one, the first sign, first good sign. Okay, we have to wait for this one. Okay, but still is okay. Looks like the drop, at least the drop has been temporarily paused. Okay, so could be sideways. Now this one is actually sideways. Okay, it has been sideways for quite some time. Okay, let's see. Okay, since January, okay, 25th January, okay, have been sideways for quite some time. Okay, got small drop, okay, and a rebound, small drop rebound, but okay, so these are the two areas that is supporting it. Okay, 1567 and 1613, these two areas, okay, has been support and resistance for the weekly chart. Okay, let's talk about the stock. Let's rewind the stock and technology. As I said, right, technology sector. These are the guys. These are the one in play. INARI, PIE, DNO, ITRONIC. So these are the company that could be in play, during the uh, uh, on the high demand in export in semiconductor. Okay, so these are the could be the stock that is in play. So we look at IHS. Okay, IHS, breakthrough. Oh, sorry, here. Okay, still breakthrough, already rebound, but now it's been sold down. Okay, so the energy is not enough. As I said, the energy, we need the energy, right, to break. Okay, we need the energy to break these two area. Okay, this triangle and 5760. Okay, at least it must break. At least must break here first to show the long-term momentum. Okay, but ultimately you need to break 5935 in order to show the actual momentum to go up. Okay, this could be just due to the news on the newspaper. Okay, the recent news about IHS. So they see recovery this year. They talk about recovery, but the figure has not come out. Maybe this is just a speculation, right? So after speculation, there's no energy continue to push up. Okay, as I said, this is the box. Okay, it's been the price has been in the box for quite long time now, and the box I think could be like this. Okay, just put it like this first. Okay, so it has been zigzag in the box for long time. Okay, so this is the main one. You need to break many time, right? You try to break 5935 around 6 ringgit, unable to break. Okay, so in order to show long-term interest, right, you need to break this one. Landmark. Okay, landmark already big rejection. Already that day as I talked about the breakout, already hit all the target, right? Okay, landmark already hit all the target. So now come back down. This could be a triangle. Okay, we are not sure yet. Okay, could be making a triangle. Okay, or could be making a bear flag, a bearish pattern. Okay, a bearish pattern. So this one, okay, for me, right, already overbought RSI. Okay, so this one I won't chase. Okay, even though if we go up, continue go up, also I won't chase. Okay, unless the price show a retracement and a rebound. Okay, possible. Okay, possible I will chase. Okay, if want to chase, okay, draw a triangle here. Okay, draw a triangle here. Okay, if the price break out from this triangle, possible to chase. But for me, I will not. Okay, I'm more conservative. I value my money. Okay, I don't take this as a trading the stock market as a gamble. Okay, I look at my pattern. The pattern tell me, okay, the pattern support resistance. Okay, the chart tell me this high possibility I will go. And not every stock will be profitable. Some stock will lose, some stock will win. But ultimately, okay, my target, if the stock right hit my target, right, okay, it's always more than if it fall below means my losses. Okay, I lose 2 times. Okay, I win 1 time already break even. You got what I mean? Okay, so this one landmark, ITRONIC. So landmark actually already hit target from the breakout. Okay, near term target. ITRONIC, we are looking at should be a bear flag. Okay, should be a bear flag means pattern that the price could drop. Okay, So if we are holding the stock here, okay, draw this line, right? This bottom and this bottom, draw a line. Okay. So as long as the price don't drop below this line, still can hold. Okay. If it drop below this line, this could be a bear flag. Means the price will continue to go down. Okay. If the price, if holding this stock, right, if the price is still inside, okay, inside this flag, right, this flag pattern still can hold. Okay. So be careful if it break up, means it's gonna drop. Okay. So draw a line over here. This candle and this candle. Okay. Connect. Okay. So this is the support. Okay, if the price come down, rebound, okay, rebound still can hold, breakout, sell. Inari got some not so good news. Okay, so the price is going down. Okay, but as I said, Inari is still a exporter, right? Electronic, uh, technology exporter. Okay, so long term this is still a bullish stock, but now is doing a broadening top. A broadening top is a bearish price action. It's a bearish pattern, means, okay, means possibility going down than going up is higher. Okay, means this pattern, right? Okay, possibility of price coming down is higher than going up. Okay, I'm not saying that it will not go up, it might still go up. Okay, fly up, okay, but just judging at the, okay, judging at the pattern itself. Okay, this one could be a temporary drop. Okay, temporary drop. Okay, if the price do drop, right, the place to look to buy, right, is the, okay, if it do drop, draw a trend line over here. Okay, it's possible. Okay, rebound at the bottom trend line, this channel, right, this channel. Okay, price already dropped back below the channel, you see. Okay, this is bullish, but the price already dropped back below this channel, right. Okay, price will drop back below this channel, you see, already drop back below this channel. So this is temporary bearish. Okay, so wait for a rebound. Okay, wait for a rebound. This is still quite a strong stock, but price already go very far, right? Already going very far already. Okay, so the energy to go up will be quite lacking, because already going from what, 90 cent to, okay, 90 cent to 3 ringgit 72 cent top. So already going. Okay, so price that, so for those already going, right? And now already forming the broadening top, right? So the price could drop, rest for a while, rest for a while. After all the guys that already scoring, already take all their money, already take profit. So the price continue to come down until the price become very cheap again. Okay, now it's a bit high, right? So when the price come down, become very cheap, and the value, PE value is acceptable. Okay, people will think, now it's not expensive anymore. Okay, here could be expensive, so people sell. Okay, it could be cheap again. Okay, so when people see the price cheap again, there is another new group of investor think that it's cheap, or the previous investor think, hey, now the price is cheap again, and this is a good good future company, right? Got future, got growth. Okay, INARI, if you check the INARI is talking about a lot of future growth article, right? Talking a lot of article coming in INARI talking about their semiconductor development in communication, all these things, right? So temporarily the price will drop, but possible, okay, when it's cheap, possible can buy. Means okay, when it's cheap, right? This trend line, you can see this trend line, right? Whenever price almost drop to the near this trend line, right? Almost near this trend line, right? People will buy. Okay, near this trend line, right? People will buy. Means it's cheap. When it drop to near this, okay, this trend line, means it's cheap. Okay, when people will buy. Okay, but if it broke this trend line, means what? Means support. No more support is lacking. Okay, means the uptrend has been broken. Okay, so this is my opinion. Okay, it's not investment advice. It's my opinion. SOLARVEST. I want to talk about solar actually today. Today actually more important. Okay, I want to talk about Of course, important is finance, okay, but solar also got some activity rebound, kind of rebound activity, okay, and also petrol. Of course, we have to talk about petrol, right? Oil, okay, energy stock. So SolarVest, what happened? Let's look at SolarVest. All the solar company, right? Okay, one wave, second wave, this could be the third wave, okay, could be a third wave. So solar company, you see their stock, right, it's actually going up slowly. If you go to the 1 hour chart, right, currently the SolarVest is in a channel, okay, in a channel. Okay, so in the short term, okay, the price stays in the channel, so we buy at the bottom of the channel, okay, sell the top of the channel, buy at the bottom of the channel, okay, or you buy at the bottom channel and keep, okay, and keep until it break out from the channel, then sell, okay, until somewhere it break out from the channel, okay, then we sell, okay. So SolarVest, okay, they are on a consistent currently, like currently, I'm not talking about, okay, any special event, okay, if I change all this, okay, solar, they in a channel, okay, so in the channel it's much easier to, okay, to invest because, okay, if the price continue to respect this channel, we know we want to buy at the bottom of the channel, right? SAMAIDEN, you see, SAMAIDEN also, you look at this, right? They are all, okay, all inside a channel, okay, means buy at the bottom, sell at the top, 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 okay, unless it break down, okay, break down, don't buy, or if you already buy, sell first, okay, but if it U-turn next week, possible to buy, okay, possible to buy around the 1.730 area, okay. If it U-turn again, right, similar here, right, how many times you did? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. Not necessarily it must touch the line, okay. Sometimes you only go near the line and rebound, okay. Not necessarily must touch the line, okay. So this one, it already touched the line, okay, just like this, okay, and already show sign of rebound, okay. So this one, draw a line here, okay. The price cross the line, possible, okay, possible, I'm talking about all these are possibility, means a possibility of breakout, okay, and judging from the chart, okay, from the trend, okay, these are possibility, okay, those stock that already, even though has a breakout, but it's in a downtrend, right, why I don't talk about all the growth stock for a long time, even though they have a rebound so many times. If I talk about the the glove stock rebound, right, so many times, right, how many times everyone really lost money, I myself really lost many times money, okay. Later I talk about top glove, how many times we see, we see the trend, right, we know even though this one is a rebound, right, it doesn't have, it according to the chart, this is not a long term one, okay, so those are not potential long term, right, so I will skip, okay, for me, right, how I select, I will skip, okay, that's why I never talk about top glove, even many times it try to rebound, okay, many times it try to rebound, small rebound, if I keep on buying all this small rebound, right, okay, I'll be holding it for half a year, be a lot of losses already, okay, so this one potential, right. So now what we want to do here is draw a line here. Okay, so it continue the breakout from this line. Okay, possible opportunity. Okay, opportunity to buy. Okay, this line above this line will be around 1.8. Okay, 1.8. If we can go above 1.8, most likely, okay, it can go up. Also, I didn't talk about side part last week, but I still want to talk a little bit about side part. Side part also in the channel, right? All the solar stock is in the channel, means they are slowly going up. Okay, here already the goring already happened. Okay, now it's more consistent. Okay, so it's also in a channel. Okay, also in a channel. Okay, So what happened? Buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top. Okay, bottom we see a rebound at the bottom here. We see a rebound. Okay, buy, sell at the top. Okay, for long term, look at this trend line, bottom of the channel. If the price don't break out the bottom of the channel, keep. If the break price broke the bottom of the channel, sell. MESB. I think MESB also in the channel, right? In the channel, so in the channel, you know what to do, right? Okay, buy at the bottom of the channel, sell at the top of the channel. Okay, buy at the bottom of the channel, sell at the top of the channel. Okay, MESB is still going uptrend, okay, it's still on the uptrend. Okay, unless it broke out from this channel, okay, it broke out, okay, then sell. Okay. KPJ. Okay, KPJ is in the channel also. Okay, so sell top of the channel, buy at bottom of the channel. Okay, sell top of the channel, buy at the bottom of the channel. KPJ might still have another line at the middle. Let me see. There's another line in the middle. Okay, so there's another line in the middle. So possible. Okay, the price, there's possibility the price could rebound on the middle. Okay, 1.040 here. Okay, if it doesn't rebound here, so look at the bottom of the channel around the 1 ringgit area. Okay, here or here. Okay, for buy opportunity. Okay, if the price break up, then it's a different story. If the price can break up, then this top of the channel will be support. Okay, the price come back, test this one and rebound, then will be buy at the top of the channel. Complete. The complete is pure boring, nothing about technical analysis. So it's pure boring. This is purely on a story, on an internal, on news, okay, or tips. So this one just scoring whatever tips you have. Okay, there's not much technical to take a look. If you want to apply technical, draw a trend line here. Okay, draw another trend line here, another channel. Okay, so as long as price does not break out from this channel, right? Hold. Okay, hold until if it break out from this channel, sell. Okay, for pure technical analysis. But this is quite dangerous. Okay, so be careful if you're holding this stock. PARKSON, 1 day play. Okay, PARKSON 1 day play already reached the target. Okay, first target, second target, already reached the first target. Come back down, now already lost power. Now it's at the top of the channel. 0.18, I talk about 0.18. Okay, below 0.18, if you drop below 0.18, maybe sell first. Okay, sell first. Wait for some rebound. Next time, then only buy again. Leader steel also, this one leader steel also I bought, okay, but I sold, okay, almost at break even because the price suddenly, U-turn, a big U-turn. This one, you see here, right? Actually, it created a triangle, okay, and it broke up from a triangle. Let's go into the, if daily cannot see the triangle, right? Here. Okay, so it broke up from a triangle. Okay, and or if we or this is what we call a bearish flag. Okay, a bearish flag pattern. Okay, so it broke out from the bearish flag pattern. So that's why. Okay, and I saw this, I really sold. Okay, and also it did a triangle over here, a triangle, right? So it broke out from the triangle. Okay, so that's why. Okay, have to sell. Okay, so this one is the reason. Okay, the reason that I sold. Yeah, correct. 26. Okay, the reason that I sold it. After this breakout, a very big, okay, big bearish candle, okay, bearish candle, big push down. So no choice. Another one is Malaysia Steel, also similar, okay, a big push down here. So this one, but this one haven't break this trend line. Okay, that one I really have to sell because I already broke the support trend line. This one haven't broke, so this one still can hold, okay, until it broke this trend line. Okay, if it broke this trend line, broke to 0.535, this one have to sell. Okay, the momentum already lost. Almost to target. I talked about the breakout over here, right? So the price almost reached target. Target is 0.735 to 0.85. So it reached 0.715. It reached 0.715. Almost reached the target. And drop. Okay, leader still not so much. Okay, only hit first target. We expect second to third target at least hit here, but it did not. Also quite near to hitting the target. Okay, 0.7, 0.710, okay. My target is these two, 0.735 and 0.8, so it did not reach. Almost top glove. So we talk about top glove quickly. That's why all this rebound, right? I never talk about all this rebound, right? Why I never talk about all this rebound? How many percent? This is not small rebound, right? Okay. This is 15% rebound, okay. This is 15%. Sorry, went back and went up. Went back, not here. Okay, 9% rebound. Okay, if we calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day, right? 5 day, this is a 12.85% rebound, right? Okay. So this one also. Okay, another rebound, 20% rebound, right? But I never talk about this. Why? Because it's in a strong downtrend. Okay, stock in a strong downtrend. Even though it rebound, there's a lot of selling pressure, a lot of selling pressure. That's why I never talk. Even you see all this rebound, right? All this rebound. So if I talk about all this rebound, if I buy this rebound, I lost money. If I buy this rebound, how many times? 1 time, 3 times, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, another rebound 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. So I already 7 times. Okay, 8 times. So I already 8 times losing money. Okay, and 8 times lose money if I talk about this all this rebound. Okay, these are all rebound, these are 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 rebound. So why I didn't talk about all this rebound? Oh, okay, there's a reason, right? Because the chart tells us, okay, this is not the right time. As I said, we can read the chart, we read the fundamental, and we top up with the chart, we have an advantage. Okay, we read the news, we read the company fundamental, and we top up on the chart. From top up with the chart, we have an advantage over other people. Okay, that's why 90%, right, of traders lose money. Only 10%, okay, can make money. And in order to make money, we have to have the maximum tools that we can study. Okay, in order to be in the upper 10% of the market. Okay, so this one is still in a downtrend. So March 5th, 9 of March, so be careful of 9 of March, 9 of March. Okay, so this one we could have a spike, okay, maybe to here, or the spike maybe to here, Okay, because most likely, right, Top Glove will register a very big profit. Okay, so there is a people who want to jump in. Okay, who want to jump in. Okay, so if they jump in, for people who get caught over here, right, get caught over here. A lot of people get caught over here. They also we see. Friday also I do a Q&A, right, about the people that get caught over 7 ringgit 40 area, you know. So if this one have a spike, okay, we see whether it spike to 5.4 or spike to 6.1. Okay, so the spike will be opportunity to let go, to run. Okay, not make profit yet. Okay, from here to make profit is still very far away, but never mind, we let go. Okay, so potential to let go. We want to see whether after the spike to 4.5, whether it U-turn down. Okay, if it didn't U-turn down, okay, at 5.4, okay, we can keep, maybe can go to 6.15. Okay, 6.15 is another opportunity to run. Okay, if haven't run, okay. So if the price can really, okay, if there is a U-turn, okay, U-turn, right, a strong push up, right, you need to break, okay, 6.15, okay, you need to break 6.15 and you stay above 6.15, right, then possible we talk about buying for the long term, okay, possible buying for the long. Now for the currently, okay, until there is a news come out that, okay, the COVID infection cannot control, the vaccine not effective, okay, the COVID continue to go up, and the the uh this pandemic, right, is out of control, okay, then we can talk about this, okay. If not, if no such news come out, we are talking about run, okay, run, places to run, okay, not to invest. Okay, just looking at the chart, that's why I never talk about Top Glove, even there is a rebound here, rebound here, rebound here, rebound here, rebound here, rebound here, so many rebound, right? I never talk, okay, because these are all trap. Harta, Harta, there's no rebound, so Harta don't do anything, okay, there's nothing here, okay, no rebound, no energy, okay, so nothing here, don't do anything on Harta. For Sun Supermax is the same thing, okay, no movement at all, so we skip, we go to more interesting oil, okay, oil already take profit here, okay, I talked about the breakout here last time, okay, already take profit over here, now is forming another bull flag, another flag, right? So so when it form this flag, we want to draw the, okay, we want to draw the trend line over here. Okay, if the price sell a bit already, never mind, right? Because we don't know, if we don't sell here, we don't know this one can drop back to here, right? So take money first, after get bullet, okay, when it rebound, we got money to play, right? You don't take money first, if this one continue to drop, how? Okay, never mind, we take money, so this one, looking at it, we want to rebound, so we want to draw a line here, okay? So if the price can break this resistance line and break 7.2, okay, around 7.2 area, possible, okay, opportunity to buy, okay, opportunity to buy towards 0.795, okay, 795 is a long-term resistance, because long-term resistance line over here. I'm not saying that it will not go above, it might go above, okay, but the next take profit, right, if buy this breakout, right, the next take profit area would be 0.795, okay, 0.795. So the next area, okay, to take profit. Let's take a quick look at Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci show higher. Okay, Fibonacci show around 0.8. Okay, so this one, if this one break out, we will be looking at 0.795, means 0.795, 0.84, okay, to 0.84. Okay, so these are the two target to look at. Okay, of course you need to break this one first. Okay, you need to break 0.755, means it's a previous high. Okay, after this breakout, we look at previous high. Okay, if you cannot break previous high coming back down, you need to sell already. Okay, if you can break the previous high 0.795, continue to go up, then we look at 0.795, 755, 795 and 5 is 0.84. PETRON not so much energy. Okay, so PETRON already broke the support trend line, right? Support trend line broke. This one supposed to be sell so already. Now we want to see whether it can come back up or not. Okay, whether it can break back up. Okay, if it can break back up this trend line, okay, possible. Okay, opportunity to buy next week. Okay, so we draw a line here. Okay, so it can break above this line. Okay, possible opportunity to buy, but PETRON is a bit slow lah. Okay, a bit slow to play. Okay, maybe break above 0.493, okay, above 0.493, then possible, okay, opportunity to buy again. If it can show, it can break above 0.493. Heng Yuan, I didn't talk about Heng Yuan. Okay, Heng Yuan is still in the bull flag. Okay, so if we break above this bull flag, okay, possible opportunity to buy. Okay, so 6.195. Okay, if it breaks above 6.195, okay, means got energy to go up. Okay, potential. I'm talking about potential energy to go up. Okay. Short-term target. Okay, short-term target 6.9. Look at the longer term. Look at longer term target. Okay, this is short term. Okay, longer term, we will look at these two. This all depend on the oil continue to hold the price. If the oil fall, then sell. Okay, so if we can break 6.95, we are looking at 7.4 and ultimately 8.4. Okay, 8.4. Okay, so these are the target. Okay, if the price remains strong, ARMADA, I talk ARMADA in the channel, right? So it's still in the channel. Okay, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. Okay, buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. This is the channel. This line, these two line. Okay, so buy at the bottom, sell at the top. DAYANG. Oh, DAYANG also in the channel, right? Yeah, same thing. Okay, so DAYANG in the channel. Already sell, this already hit the top, right? Sell at the top. So the price come back down to the bottom, okay, sell, okay. Or, okay, if the price break out, okay, have a breakout above 1.56, because the oil is so strong, okay. If the price break above 1.565, possible opportunity to buy. Okay, possible here. Okay, if not, we have to wait for a price to come back to the bottom of the channel to buy. Okay, price come back to the bottom of the channel to buy. And if the price break out from the bottom of the channel, of course sell, right? Okay, finish this one. So I think we spoke about MRCB and MKLand and MPHP, okay, and MMC Corp on Friday. Okay, so look at the Friday video. Okay, Friday video I already spoke these two. Okay, so this one rewind and check out the Friday video. Okay, so I don't want to make this long video too long because this is quite important. Okay, this week, right, this video is quite important because we touch a few very important sector. This is the oil sector. We touch about the solar sector. We also share about the semiconductor story or news, okay, and also the glove. Okay, so this is quite a big, uh, uh, video. Okay, quite a what I can say is an important video. Okay, so this my outlook for next week. Okay, what I see and from the news. Okay, and from the chart. Okay, hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember to like and share. Okay, like and share my video. Share it to your friends. Share it to your WhatsApp. Okay, share it to your Facebook. Okay, or cut and paste. Share it to your friends, Messenger. Or remember, okay, if you like the video, always support me. Press the like button and also remember to comment if you have anything to comment. Okay, and stay safe from COVID. Remember to subscribe and press the bell. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.